Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel at the Pics. I am Payal. Hope you all are doing great. Past 1 month I could not upload any videos because due to my job I was in Malaysia, and because of my daily routine I was unable to make any video. For that I am really very sorry. But I am thankful to all my viewers and subscribers whoever like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a very easy with deep meaning on nature Madhubani painting. As usual, I drew the basic outline with pencil and then I use black gel pen to make it final. If you want to draw this painting, then you can visit my Instagram account to saw the final outcome. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post the final outcome of all my drawings. Please go check it out. I put that link in my description box and mention on my screen. First I create a broad border which is a symbol of Madhubani painting. If you want to see how I made all my Madhubani borders, then please let me know in my comment section. I will make a separate video for that. For coloring, I use here DOMS 14 set poster color set and 12 set fine liner pen. If you don't have fine liner pen, then you can use gel pens too. For hair color, please do not use full dark black jet color. Just use a very light black color because here I want to create a curly hair, and how I did it to see, please watch until the end. don't have black pen, then you can use any kind of black pen. Remember, to create a drawing, you do not need too much expensive tools. Whatever tools you have, with that you can create your own masterpiece. I want to make a request for all of you. Please at least give a like after you watching my videos, and please share my paintings with your friends and family. Share your valuable comments in my comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beginner friendly videos. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.